Hello everyone. Have a wonderful day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is the class for 4th standard and subject English. Students, today we are going to write the classwork for the poem Gnosis. In our previous class, we have learned the poem Gnosis, right? So, today we are going to write the classwork for the poem Gnosis. Students, we have already finished the classwork for poem and prose in Unit 1. Yes, I hope you have finished the classwork. Students, if you are not finished your classwork for first unit, you won't write the classwork for second unit. Have you understood? Students, again I tell you, first you have to finish the poem and prose from first unit. Then only you can write classwork for second unit. Understood? Students, this is your English classwork. So this note, already we have written the classwork, wake up and Neha's alarm clock. Students, whenever we start the classwork, first thing we have to do, we have to fill the index page. That's very must, okay? Don't forget this. Students, today we are going to write the classwork for Gnosis. So, we have to write serial number and name of the chapter, Gnosis. Start with capital letter. If you have finished the index page, you can go for the next page. Students, we already written classwork for wake up and Nega's alarm clock. I hope you all finish the poem. This is your wake up poem and lesson Nega's alarm clock. This lesson also we have finished. Yes. Today we are going to write classwork for Gnosis. As usual, students, first you have to draw the two lines for writing the topic. Use pencil to draw the lines. First you have to write unit 2. Unit 2. Next, the middle you have to write the poem title Gnosis. Within the bracket you have to write poem. Use black pen to write the title. Next, we are going to write mind map. Students, today we are going to write only 7 pages. We have two mind map, D words, and another mind map, D words, synonyms, 6 page and 7 pages. First thing, You have to attend the mind map. Mind map. You know very well how to write the mind map. Use pencil to draw the mind map. You may write the information in blue pen. Use black pen to write the subtopics. This is another mind map. D words and antonyms. Next mind map. D words and synonym. And your lost mind map. As usual, D words and missing letter. Students, don't make any mistakes in your classwork. Write carefully and your handwriting should be clear. Okay? These all are the topics we are going to write today. Rest of the topics in this poem we may continue to our next class. Okay? Students, I have given PDF in assignment column. You may refer the pages and write the classwork. Thank you.